Alright, had to run over here from where I was looking. I got a loaded down cart, cool board's coming. Get some footage of this here. It's got 1, 2, 3. It's got 5 on each side, so 10 loaded all the way down with coal. There he comes right there. It's a nice foggy morning. It was anyway when I first got out here. You can see some of the fog in the background. It's raining. I'm about ready to cut it short. I'm raking up in a place that used to be a cornfield on the ground with a wiggle peck, and it's just getting to, you know how when you're trying to do that with wet ground, it's just not working. Here he comes here. I'll let him get out even with me. I might be able to read this once he gets parallel with me, but I can't. The writing on it's small. Yeah, I can't read it. But there you go, there's a nice coal barge. The first barge with the coal in it says AEP 961, I think. It's an AEP coal barge. It's a power plant. So anyway, later. Alright, I'm out on the river. I got a late start on it today. I was exhausted. I just finally crashed from looking so much out in the sun and walking. I slept from like, I don't know, 10 o'clock last night till 10 o'clock this morning. 10:30 actually. And then I just came straight to the river to see if I can't get something going. The water dropped from what it was yesterday, so I'll have some good washes to look anyway. Really still tired. Really wore out. I was going to go to the dump today and dig bottles, but it rained again in the night. And it's on a hill, and I'll slip and fall and cut myself all up again. So that's not happening. I'm just going to do some looking for some arrowheads today, and then I got work to do. I've been thrift storing a lot. I have a ton of inventory just for the last month that I bought that I need to sell. And it's all good stuff to sell. I'll be able to make all my bill money for the next couple months and the next like 7. Alright. You got Mr. Goose Gossage over here on the shore. The herring. He's about right in front of my kayak now. I'll try to speed it up so I can get him. He'll kind of crouch to the ground right when he's ready to fly. There he is. He got a fish in his mouth too. I don't know if you can see that. I could. Later. You can see right here's the base clay, and all this gravel is just laying right on it. I scraped it all. This is just all the material there is. You can find points when you come back over this if you look at real good, but I'm not finding nothing. I've looked at it extensively. I have like 8, 9, 10 little tiny flakes of flint that would all fit on a quarter. It's getting rough here. I mean, big time. It's Friday today. This is an actual day I'm hunting, but I doubt I'll have enough for a video. Whoa, what's that? There's a point, folks. Live find. Look at this. Look right here. Oh, this is the first live find in a while. This don't look bad. Look at the. Here, let me show you. I'm gonna turn this off and get it. I got it. Holy crap. I thought this looked good. That's why I turned on the thing. Got a point, folks. The water was up yesterday. Let's look around here. It's not the greatest thing, but I'll take it. Because I had to use footage I had to save back. And it's a perfect point. Man, I'm so happy to get this. Oh, I needed it. See, it looks awesome here. And you can see the base clay. I've sifted in here. And all of this stuff's eroding right off the base clay. And all the points would have been laying right on the base clay and the depths. Oh, I got a point. Let me turn this off and get a picture of it laying there. And then I will pick it up for you later. Alright, this is like 2.5 hours worth of hunting this morning. This is all I found. Got lucky and got another point. It's not the greatest thing, but I will take that. Some nice flint. That's probably flint ridge there. It could be Coshocton, and the rest of this is probably river cobble church. But not a bad point. Look nice in the frame. So this is what we're up to. I'm walking these places here. Trying to spot something else. I don't have too much further to look. You can see how some of it's mudded in, but there's rock exposed. And anytime there's rock exposed, you have a chance of finding an artifact. And the water was probably up into about right here yesterday, and it's dropped this much. That's what messed me up. I didn't come look at the water where I live either, and it was up here. I shouldn't even have went drove yesterday. I didn't find nothing but a dope pat somebody had, and I mean, it just stunk. That was unnerving when you walk up onto something like that. You never know who's behind it and what's going to go down. And I'm out by myself, and I just want to have a peaceful day. But anyway, I will get back if I see anything else. There's only 2 barges. Well, there'd be 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. So there's 4 big ones with covers on them. I don't know what would be in that. It says Legacy right on the bottom towards the water in white. I don't see a name up on. There's a plaque up there, but I can't read it. Maybe the bait's name's the Legacy. Yeah, it is Legacy. That's what's on the sign too. It's a pretty boat. Let you see it till it gets out of frame there. And then I'm heading home. Alright, folks. Until the next time, take it easy. Here, I'm back now for you. I wasn't going that long. Here. Come on. Where you going? Here. Here. Get it. Come on, Bubby.